second week of summer. Okay, so this week Autumn is in summer school, so I don't have to worry about that. I still did my walk. I still second ride the bike, and now we have a liquor every day. I think next week will be the week when I'll do my long walk over the bridge because I'm practicing for that. He just cut his hair. Well, his dad did, but that's because he wanted to, and I was just like, a long time didn't want to cut it, but I wanted to make sure him cut it when he want to cut it, and not because he wants like this or that or think anything of his hair. I just wanted him to cut it when him, him personality want to change, and he did. All on the floor. I don't think I'm gonna save it though. I don't think it makes sense to like save it or anything like that. I don't know. I'll probably get rid of it. But yeah, now to go get Autumn from school. Coming at me just to drop her off, is it? Damn. I'm out of here. Okay. Alright, I'm a bit dark, but so I'm cleaning out. Well, I'm not cleaning out, I'm just going through her clothes and trying to get, things that aren't as small anymore. And there's like some really good items in here that I don't want to throw away. I don't want to just donate it to the I don't want to just donate it, but at this point that's what I'm going to have to end up doing. Like I would really like to just give it to somebody. First of all, some of them are mega keep like this. This is so cute. I have to keep it. I don't know if I'm keeping it for memories. This is 3T. This is adorable. Me and my hoarding self ought to keep that. But there's other things in here that I'm small. Like, come on. And it's like I can't really find anybody to give it to because some people don't want to take it. And then if they don't want to take, if they donate it, they might sell it or whatever. And I don't want to have to deal with that. So my option is to donate some of these clothes. Ariane clothes them young, but 3T. Let's take that darn 3T outfit. I need to do AJ's room. But they're young. Like, they're not her size anymore. She can keep to wear under her clothes, but for the most part, it's time. Oh yeah, some of these are like your art clothes, so. She can still wear these in the house for now. Yep, yard clothes. Some bottoms, etc. Bottoms up. Like our pants on them something there. I still wear like a shorts. Some of them pants here. They got to go. We have to do a food. I have to re-up on some food now. So, you know, run out of chicken and all of them something there already. So it's time to do a BJ stop. And today's Thursday, so I have to get back before 12. So I have to do like a BJ stop. And we're going to get some meat and just some other little things we need to stock up on. I was going to say Walmart, but I was like, I want a bulk of it and not just a little bit where I get a Walmart, you know? So I'm walking through the grocery aisle and it's just, I don't know, it's so surreal. Like, I'm looking at certain things and the price them really raised. I mean, I buy olive oil and it's like, damn, $34, even though it's BJ's, but that's still more than what we used to pay for it. So it's kind of a shock, but it just goes to show you how things are changing right before our eyes. All right. Alright, so today is a weekend and yeah, it's weekend. I'm gonna take this time to do over my toes. To them broke off and clip up, but I like when they have color on them, so I'm gonna have to give myself a good, you know, mani pedi. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a good one of that. But I'm gonna try it different. I'm gonna try to do it outside today instead of in the bathroom. Get some fresh air, you know? So I am doing my toes. I'm trying to record it a bit as well, but I'm tired. That's the only thing about doing it yourself. Not that I'm tired now, that I'm back. I hurt myself from bending over, but I think I'm almost done. I'm also trying to film Instagram reel while I'm doing this. So this is like the behind the scenes, and this is my little my nail polish collection. I like OPI. And this brand here, I just started using this brand. This brand, oh my gosh, it's so good. OPI, like, it's like a hit or miss with OPI, but I like it so far. I'm getting liquor. This one comes in handy because I don't have a lot of nail polish. So I have this little thing, and I just put it away in my closet. Also because some of my nail polish, I'm gonna throw away, like the LA colors. They burn my toenails for some reason, so I'm throwing those out, and then I keep adding my little colors to this.